Hi, this is Chris Raffo here with Chris Nolan, the president of H.T.Berry Company. We're here at H.T.Berry Company in Canton, Massachusetts. Chris, thanks a lot for having me. The purpose of this video is to just really talk about H.T.Berry and how Chris has implemented some of Universal Business Systems technology. In addition, a focus on a product that we have, Synergy.net, which is the online ordering system. So,
Yeah.
how you doing today?
I'm doing well. It's good to be here. I'm doing a lot better that we've been using Synergy. So our business is really going very strong since we implemented Synergy about a year ago. So it's been a terrific thing in these trying times of the economy to be able to grow our business.
So tell us a little about H.T.Berry Company real quick.
Yeah, we actually have a very exciting history. We've been around for 46 years. We were founded by Henry Thomas Berry, who's still our CEO. He founded our company from very humble beginnings. He was a gentleman that came back from World War II. He was a Navy veteran. Came back and worked for a paper provider in Cambridge called Stone & Forsyth. Worked there for many years. He was their top sales rep. Henry really focused on the packaging side. He really had a forte for design and boxes. Sold a lot of donut boxes, ice cream containers. But after a while, he kind of grew tired of just working for a company, had some own ideas of himself. Very humble beginnings. He had saved $5,000, basically went out and bought a used truck, moved us to what's called the south end section of Boston, right by the old highway. Rented a small warehouse. He was the type of guy that went out and sold during the day, loaded the trucks himself at night, slowly grew our business, moved us out to the Dorchester section of Boston. If anybody's been up to Boston, it's a nice section. And then in the mid-1980s, 1985 exactly, moved us out to Canton, Massachusetts, which is our current location. Again, very forward-thinking, bought an old piece of land on a sand pit, built a 30,000 square foot warehouse, hired a couple more employees. Mid-80s, expanded us, and then I've been president of the company for 7 years, been with the company for 11. 3 years ago, we expanded our warehouse again, and now we're up to about 110,000 square feet of warehouse space. We're a full-line distributor of janitorial products, paper supplies, food service products, and industrial packaging.
Very good. And we got together in 1987, I believe, and we've done a lot with you guys from a technology standpoint and seen you guys experience quite a bit of growth.
Yeah, Mr. Berry will always talk about it. It's probably been one of our top strategic moves, honestly. It's been, we use the word in business a lot, partnerships, but it's been probably the best partnership we have from a vendor relations standpoint with Universal Business Systems. It goes back into us implementing the original system, and it's been a real key thing for us in terms of strategic. So, yeah.
So now, with the implementation of the technology and the different things, you guys are doing the imaging, the scanning, you've implemented the RF in the warehousing, so you've embraced a lot of our technology that we've done. One of the newest things, or more recent technological products that you've embraced is the Synergy.net product, which is the online ordering system. Why don't you tell us a little bit about how that's helped your company, both from driving new business and also servicing existing business?
Yeah, Synergy has been the most exciting thing I think I've seen, not only in our industry, but in terms of technology in general. Again, right now we sit here in a recession, there's no question about it, and our business continues to grow. Besides our people, the best value we have at H.T.Berry is our technology, and Synergy is the biggest part of that. Synergy allows us a new style of presentation where our sales force no longer goes out and talks about products first. We obviously talk about the history of the company. I just talked about our people and what we feel we can do for our potential customers, but where our technology can take their business to a new level. And Synergy has actually allowed us to help our customers in these trying economic times to control their own destiny. How it does that is basically with Synergy, with its budget tools, its overall software look and feel, but also its inventory control methods. This is an amazing system that basically allows us to help customers control their own destiny, reach their goals by being a better provider.
So you're going out to your existing or new prospects and helping them achieve their budgetary goals, and they're finding that the features that are in Synergy.net are hitting the mark in helping you help them.
Yeah, I think why we have such a great partnership with Universal Business Systems is really, I remember we started talking about, unfortunately after 9/11, what we saw is really not only the climate of security change, but also the economics change, where people felt very challenged because of the downsizing, very nervous in general. But what stimulated that was people's budgets. What people said, I have a location on 1000 Main Street, I need complete transparency over what my spending is. I need to know what my vendors are doing for me, I need to chart things for next year. So together, I think we worked on some ideas, and you guys brainstormed the idea of synergy, which basically allows us, as a provider, to have synergy with our customers, which is a wonderful thing, which is very rare in business. So one of the factors is that we can go out to a customer, listen to them first before we present, listen to what their challenges is, listen to what their budgets truly are for next year, listen to what their concerns about inventory, are they carrying too much, too little, are they experiencing run out, whether it's paper plates, toilet paper, some of the major drive items, or whether it's some of the miscellaneous items in the janitorial or food service category. So what we basically do is use your system, use Synergy, to put these things in place that allow them to have complete transparency over their spending in these categories. And also to chart that, be able to run reports live time, be able to show them complete things like their accounts receivable with us, to be able to show them signatures on delivery tickets, and then to do some forecasting. So if we have a new idea, if we're selling, and I'll use toilet paper because we all use it, if we're selling a particular customer at 1000 Main Street a certain brand toilet paper, but the customer challenges us to save them money, or to come up with a new idea, maybe it's environmental friendly, but they want to chart what that new idea will do to their spending. We can do that with Synergy. We can plug that in, run a quick report live time, and the customer can do it themselves, and basically forecast switching A toilet paper to B toilet paper will save me X amount of dollars. And that's a fantastic thing, and no one in our industry has that. And that's something that the new educated buyer wants. So it's a terrific story.
That's interesting. Now this has helped you obtain new business.
It's been an amazing transformation for us. I mean, and the key part of Synergy too is that, I shouldn't say it's focused, but one of the things are multi-location. Where again, that transparency, if you have an 11 location account, you get to see all what 11 locations are doing. So as we're meeting with these corporations that are all challenged today with their budgets, we actually can go in and set budgets for the individual locations. So we've been able to pick up, just recently, I'm holding a $7,000 order that just printed out from a 5-location Canadian insurance company that's based in New England.
Wow.
Has a major corporate office in New England. Brand new business that came in today. The customer said to me, it wasn't about our product mix or our pricing, but it was about our technology. And again, they even used the word transparency into their spending. And it's been amazing.
It's fantastic, fantastic. So not only does Synergy.net service the existing accounts, but also enables you to grow your business through technology as opposed to just competing from a price standpoint and a service level standpoint, which you've always done over the years.
Yep.
It's given you the edge.
Absolutely. I mean, it's for our current customer base that obviously people say, what have you done for me lately? We want to develop the relationship. We want to add value to our current business. And we want to help, hopefully Synergy will help us grow that business. And I think we've seen occasions where that's happened with an existing customer that said, I want to buy more from you. I want to buy a different product category. I buy toilet paper from you, but now I want to buy coffee cups because I don't have transparency with my current vendor. So, and with new business, which is obviously exciting to go out and chase new business, it's allowed us to present something that the customer has always needed and has been frustrated for the last 5 years that their current vendor cannot give them.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, Chris, thank you very much. I
Thank you.
appreciate your time. Best of luck, and
Great.
it sounds like you're doing a great job.
Well, it's been great. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks.